Today we are talking about transitioning from climbing to descending when we are at a 2-bolt anchor with Mussy Hooks. Hello, I'm Jason. We are continuing our series on transitioning from climbing to descending on sport climbs with 2-bolt anchors. And again, our goal is redundancy, a way to keep from falling and a backup while we manage the transition. Today, we are covering how to use Mussy Hooks, either after cleaning a top rope anchor or for immediate descent. If I am taking down an anchor, when I get to the top, I need to tether myself with a runner or lanyard. Then I ask for slack in the rope, and I use that slack to clip the rope through both Mussy Hooks.
Through our two Mussy Hooks, because you would be on your tether.
Yeah, but then I couldn't reach it.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. All right, so now
I have the belayer take, and I pull in, so the rope has my weight and not my runner. From here, I remove my quad anchor, and I am still redundant on the Mussy Hooks and my runner.
Yeah. A small anchor. So, because in the small, so you can roll down on them, and then you just total float through them.
Okay. So what we do is before we take off both of the other sides, right? Watch, Connor. So I've taken this off the rope. I've taken off one side. I can go ahead and clip it. So now if I drop it by accident, I won't lose it. Now clip all those extra 4 carabiners to the gear loop so that they don't get in your way.
Finally, I can disconnect my runner and call lower.
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 If I'm just going straight back down with no anchor to build and with the Mussy Hooks, it's really simple. Once you can reach the hooks, clip one hook and then the other. You're ready for your belayer to take and then lower.
Now it's take.
And
Lower.
Lower.
That easy.
Lower.
Next week, we will talk about facing bolts with hardware large enough to accept a bite of rope, like links or wrap rings. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. And you can check out our website at shortguysbetaworks.com to find gear lists, all of our videos, and additional thoughts and information. Are Mussy Hooks eliminating accidents during transitions to lowering? That was their intent. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'll see you next week and keep on getting more out of that big outside.